Yes, I think the Unknown God documentary is a very informative documentary. Uh, I like how there were interviews done from people that were from the background of, these the religions of that were being interviewed, and it showed that their standpoint and their point of view, and I feel that it was very informative, yeah, and it gives like the viewer a lot of insight, yes, on just on the documentary, yeah. So it was very good, yeah. So I definitely recommend it uh, to watch.
Ayun, maganda. Natutuwa ako na meron tayong ganitong documentary kasi ito yung documentary na alam natin na makaka-relate yung marami nating kakilala or mahal sa buhay na into idolatry at na makita nila, maging wake up call ito para makita nila yung katotohanan na sinasabi ng Bible.
Based dun sa napanood ko sa video, sobrang ganda actually. And kudos dun sa bumuo nung video, lalong-lalo na sa inyong tatlo, ni Pastor, ni Brother Chris at sa'yo, Brother Mark. Sobrang um, ganda ng mga information na nabuo dun sa video, which is kailangan talaga siya para ma-aware yung mga tao tungkol sa idolatry na hindi siya dapat tangkilikin or sundan. So yun, at okay na nagkaroon ng ganong documentary para maging awareness sa mga tao na lalo na dun sa mga naniniwala sa idolatry. So great job. And kudos.
Isa sa mga pinakamaganda na documentaries na nagawa natin dito sa Verity, Manila. Kasi this is something na kinumpile lahat ni Brother Chris, yung opinions, comments ng mga tao, yung mga experiences regarding sa ibang religions before, and now knowing the true God, true religion, yung mga nagbabasa ng Bible, especially about the member of Verity Church. So I think maganda yun na documentary para at least mababalikan natin for perpetuation, magagamit ng next generation, and also, syempre darating yung time, magagamit na rin yun ng mga next generation for documentaries and everything. So, 2 thumbs up ako.